그레이 첫 병원 가는 날입니다. 그래서 백신 맞고 마이크로칩 메이비 하고 아침에 그 뭐죠? 기생충 It's okay, come in, easy. 기생충 얘가 잠깐 토했는데 기생충이 나왔어요. 그래서 저 진짜 깜짝 놀라서 여기저기 검색을 해봤더니 이게 고양이들한테 일반적인 거라고 하더라고요. 그래서 조금 안심했고 약만 먹으면 될 것 같아서 생각보다 가까워서 Chemical gray, chemical.
Oh, okay. Do you have any medical records with you?
No, he is for. No, he doesn't have a.
He's never been to a vet before?
No.
Okay. Just fill this out for me.
Okay. Do you think how old he is?
6'2". His age?
Yeah, I'm just curious.
Let me see. I would say he's about like 3 months, but the doctor will give you more of a certain of the exact age. Got it. Yeah, nice. Okay.
You better bring suitcase. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. 이때는 뭐라고?
Sneezing?
No, nothing. But yeah,
So
only
did some vomited some worms today?
yeah.
That's very typical with kittens. Come on, you. Yeah. And what are you feeding him?
I have some I mixed with the dry food and the wet food.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. And he likes that.
He's very good eater. He's everything. He's more than my dog.
Sounds good. Looks good. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Let me just check your ears here. They're a little itchy, huh? Yeah, it's got a pump in there. How about this ear? Is this itchy one too? Yeah, just a little waxy, that's all. Very needle cleaning. Good. Okay, so let me take care of his vaccines first and his deworming. Then we'll get the blood test after. This is delicious. You're gonna like this. This is banana flavored. Promise you'll like it. See, it's good. Eat slowly. Yummy. You see, it's nice. Where you going? Where you going? There's nowhere to run. There's nowhere to hide. 1, 2, 3. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look how brave you are. Look how brave you are. You took that like a champ.
Good boy.
You see? It's a nice place. Don't have to be scared.
What about
Yeah, that's not a problem. They live together, so they're going to be in contact with each other. They can share the same water bowl. They might not be too happy about sharing the food, but sharing the water should not be a problem.
You know, sometimes he eats my dog food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not bad if he eats the dog food once in a while. It shouldn't be his diet because he needs to be on cat food. There's certain amino acids that cats need that's not in dog food.
Yeah.
But if he eats dog food once in a while, it's not going to hurt him. It's just going to make your dog angry. She's not jealous?
No.
That's good. All right, let me get my assistant and we'll get that blood test.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
No, it's waiting. It's not finished. It's not finished. It's almost finished. Almost finished. It's still over. Hey, baby. Oh, yeah. 이씨, 그래, 너무 별로네. 에이, 너. 여기 있어봐. 소희야, 피곤해? 들어가면. 응? 귀찮아? 귀찮아? Okay. You rest. You okay, right? 응? 이거야, 이거 아니야. 얼른 먹어, 뺏기지 말고. No, Henry, no, that's not yours. Hey. 좀 들어와, 숨어서 먹어. 안 돼, 이씨. 욕할 뻔했어. No, that's not yours. Hey, stop. Wait, come over here. Over here. No. No. Yeah. Ish. 이거 그럴 거야. 얼른 먹어. 흘려. 아. 야. 아. 진짜. 뺏기지 말고 먹어, 빨리. 너 안 돼, 이제. 그만. That's enough. Stop it. Hey, Henry. Stop. Henry, stop. No. 에이, 내가 안 먹으니까 빨리 먹게. 이거 따라 이래서 잘라줄게. 예. 그렇지. 현우가. 현우야, 거의 병원 갔다 와서 오늘 피곤해. 이봐, 기운 없잖아. 너 밥 먹어, 네 밥 먹어, 이 새끼야. 네 밥 먹어 와서. 네 밥 먹어 와서. 네 밥 먹어 하고 가. 내가 하나가 먹고. 됐지. 다 뺏겼어, 너. 다 뺏기고 있어, 이 새끼야.